The reason, corresponding angles of congruent triangles. Hence, angle ACP will be congruent to, sorry, um, but this is equation number 1. But as we know that all the sum of all the angles on a straight line will be equals to is always equal to 180 degrees according to supplementary angles. So measurement angle ACP plus measurement angle BCP will be equals to 180 degrees. 180 degrees, this is equation number 2, and the reason is supplementary angles. When these two angles are congruent and their sum is 180, so we can say that angle ACP will be equals to angle BCP and both are equals to 90 degrees. That is, PC is perpendicular to AB. This PC line is perpendicular to BC because angle ACP is equals to 90 degrees, which was proved in this statement. And so we can write PC is perpendicular to AB because all the lines which make 90 degrees angle of 90 degrees with other line are known as perpendicular. So we will write here PC is perpendicular to AB due to this statement. This is equation number 3. Reason is angle ACP is equals to 90 degrees. Also CA is the side of triangle. ACP will be equals to or will be congruent to CB side of its corresponding triangle. It is, reason is construction, and this is equation number 4. Its reason is construction. We construct the sides, these two sides by drawing a perpendicular. So PC is a right bisector. This PC is not only a perpendicular, it is also a right bisector of AB. This is right bisector of AB because it passes through midpoint of AB and making angle of 90 degrees with AB. So for these two reasons we can say PC is a right bisector of